Alright, so we are done with sprinting as well. So now we will start with the aiming features, which are if we hold down RMB, we will start aiming. There will be a minor zoom and there will be full stretch. If you release the right mouse button, then we will be basically uh, out of the aiming mood. So I'm just going to copy this comment box because I know this is going to be a big code. Aiming, which is RMB, and I'm going to change the color here somewhere just like this. Looks awesome. And just for the fun of it, I'm going to use the traditional way to do this. I will change this to action mapping. It's one of the same thing here. So if we press, we will have a skin. I make it boolean. I make it a. Alright, it's aiming true, and is if released, then it's not aiming. As simple as that. Um, Once we do start the aiming, then we need first FOV/zoom in. I think that's pretty much all that we want for now. So if that's the case, then let's just step right into it. So I'm going to introduce a new function which is set event by timer. I love this function, like this method, because this is like a without using the tick, you can have the features of a tick. So this is what I'm going to use. This is a timer handle. So I'm just going to promote it. Aiming timer handle, and I'll make sure that everything is under the category. It's just it helps to have a clean workflow on the left, and this is going to be a looping function. Um, where it will start with a delay of 1.1 seconds, and it will call a new step event, which will be zoom in uh, naming FOV event. Alright, let's just do that one. Yeah. Um, okay. Now what we will do is make it 0.01. This is the actual uh, timer when you want to call this function. So if I put it as 5 seconds, then this system will call the aiming FOV event every 5 seconds. However, we want it almost instantly like a tick, so we will keep this number very, very low. Um, all right. Uh, for any other features, yes. All right. So here we will just pick our camera and we will get the FOV value. Um, we will get the field of view value. All right. I don't know what it is right now. I think it's 90. Yeah, it's 90. So what we're going to do is uh, let me just check if 60 is kind of zoom out, I believe. Let's see. Yeah, it's kind of like a zoom out kind of a thing. Oh no, that's the zoom. Sorry, I'm so sorry. I forget these things from time to time. Alright, so we basically want to decrease, right? Here itself, we will also set the field of view. We're getting a field of view, and we're getting it, and we're setting it this value. So we will just do a minus of a very, very small value like like 2.5. As long as we're holding, it will keep decreasing. So I believe it should be functional. Okay, that was too fast, and that's too slow. These things you can calculate. I think this is good. I think this is a good enough. All right. Okay. Cool. Um, all right. So this is the magic number, it seems. So we will keep it. But we will do a clamp. So we don't just keep on zooming in. We need to hold it at some point. Maximum, of course, will be 90. So the lowest would be, I think, let's put it to 60. That is a reasonable amount. And let's do it here. I think we should go to 45. So like halfway through, and there is where we stop. So yeah, of course we can keep moving in. All right, that's awesome. Now we are zooming in, that's for sure. However, we are not resetting the value, so we'll basically just reset everything. Uh, First would be to make it 90 again, and also we are going to use this timer handle and we're going to shut it down because it will keep running. So we'll say clear and invalidate. So here it will stop the. Okay, I'll just prove it to you. Print. So we'll do FOV event running. So you see, if I press the right mouse click and I drop it, but it still keeps on going. It doesn't stop, right? So we need to have this function to clear it. And now I drop it, it will stop. Click it, and we are also resetting almost immediately. All right. All right. Cool. Okay. So let's just promote these two variables. Min can FOV, and this will be max can FOV decrement. I don't know the spelling, so sorry. But basically, this is the value that is going to decrement, and we have that there. So we can put this back here. Max. I think this should be normal cam FOV, as this is technically not the maximum, but we're going to consider it as the maximum. Alright, so that's done. After this, just bring our great Excel sheet. Then we have aim. If okay, aim functionality full stretch, make the camera shake. All right, so here we are doing the clamping. We will just do another check here, maybe over here. Um, all right. We'll say is it equal to, or maybe we'll say nearly equal to. It's going to get congested. Let's do this after this call. We have it clamped already, so nothing to worry about. is it nearly equal to the minimum, and we'll keep the tolerance as 1, right? So we'll say if it's true, if uh, camera FTV equals to cam, it's true, then we will. I think there is a built-in camera shake. Uh, let's see if it is or if it is not. I think this is the one. I'm still not sure. I don't have a play camera manager. Um, let's see if it works just like that. I'm not sure if it will work. Uh, let's we'll do it our own way. If it doesn't work. Yeah, there is no camera shake, but we're already full. So let's just drop this. And what we can do is uh, let's just try it out. Mm, going to make uh, very minor adjustments, which is add relative rotation, not set relative rotation, add relative rotation, and make sure we are only using the pitching knob, and flow in range is going to be minus 0.01. I think we can do the same here. It should technically give us some kind of an effect. Uh, yeah, it kind of does. But I'm not sure if we should have this because as the camera shakes, our pointer is also shaking, and it will lead to wrong clicks. I mean, our aiming, it will affect our aiming, so that's not good. It's not good. So we're just going to leave this one for now. We're just going to keep the code, but we're going to use it. Maybe we can run it after some time. If uh, if the arrow is full stretched for a longer period of time, start shaking of camera. Okay, I think that's good enough. Okay. Now, think the next thing that we have to do. All right. So, I think we can pause this one for now. Um, what we can further do is hmm, we can put it in a we can put it in a function, and we can also have some kind of a time capability like bullet time here, but not right now. I'll add it later on. I'll make this red, red. Rosa. Okay. Uh, all right. So now I think it is time for the good stuff. Good stuff meaning creating the enemies. No game is good if the enemies suck. So we'll just get on to that. But first, I need to create a system, and uh, basically the system needs to be it needs to incorporate all the factors, all the multiple kind of enemies that we may have, and I need to think about it before starting the actual code. So I will take some time on that, and I'll make a new video. Um, that's it for this one. Thank you, guys.